Hey everybody, Natalie here with TotallyDazzled.com, where we help you craft with a little bit of sparkle by providing all the rhinestone embellishments you need. In today's live video, I'm going to be making the most fabulous little bunny with you guys. You're gonna love this little bunny. She is full of personality and style and super fun and easy to make. We're gonna be crafting a really cute little bunny sign. This is just a little wooden sign that I picked up from Michael's. It was really inexpensive, and we're going to just make her into a super fabulous glam little bunny for Easter. She's gonna be really fun and she's gonna be full of personality. So before I jumped on with you guys here today, I did paint it this sort of metallic gold color. I just used really inexpensive paint. I probably even got this from the dollar store or Walmart. I don't really remember, but I just gave her a coat of gold paint, and we are going to accessorize her with, we're gonna make a necklace for her and give her like a hair bow. She's gonna be really fancy. So the first thing that we're gonna add to her is just a little nose. This is just a little white piece of paper, and I'm gonna just Mod Podge it right on. So she's gonna get a little nose, and then we're gonna start accessorizing her with the fun stuff. We're gonna, she's gonna be a really, really fancy bunny. So I'm just putting like a little bit of Mod Podge on the back of this nose. So her nose is on, that's gonna dry. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do to fancy this little bunny up is add one of our beautiful fabric flowers. You guys have been seeing me using these in all of our videos lately if you haven't seen how to make them. So we're gonna give her like a hair bow. Like it's gonna be like this. So that's gonna be our first step of getting her looking fancy. So I'm just gonna hot glue this. Okay, so I'm just putting that like on one ear, kind of like a fancy hair bow. Okay, so guys, this is the most fun of the part of this project that we're gonna do next is we're gonna make her some necklaces, which are gonna be just take her a little bit over the top and make her really fabulous. Okay, so I'm just using some floral wire. This is what I'm gonna use to make her necklace out of, and I'm just gonna clip it with my little wire cutters here. So of course her necklace has to have a little bling on it. So I'm using this little piece. This is from our mix bags. And this piece has a little button loop on the back. I don't know if you can see it, but it's perfect for this project. A lot of the smaller pieces you'll find have a button loop. You could glue it as well, but I'm gonna use this for this project because I can just thread the wire right through the button loop. And then this is going to be the middle point of her little necklace that we're gonna make for her. Okay, so this is gonna be the beginning point of her necklace. And then I have some little pearl beads here that I'm going to start threading on to finish off her necklace. So because I want the Totally Dazzled bling piece to be the center, I'm gonna make sure it stays the center by starting with that and then just feeding a bead onto each end of my wire, like one on each side at a time. That way when I'm done and I have it the right length, because I'm not sure exactly how many beads I'll need, it'll be even. Okay guys, here she is. Isn't she cute? And that was so fun and easy. One quick coat of paint, make yourself some little necklaces, add a little flower, and you're done. It's so cute. And until next time, I'm Natalie with TotallyDazzled.com, helping you shine one rhinestone at a time. Bye guys. Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at TotallyDazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.